there's a map with pins, and Karen likes the people.
I was hearing one of your alpaca facts from one of the rangers at Avisfield Centre that the alpacas recognise each other from the fringes.
Oh yes, definitely.
I was like, who knew? Aye.
Hey buddy,
He's showing off.
coming around here now.
Hello.
Hey, he's right here looking at us here.
Hi.
The other one's got a 3-leaf clover hanging on his chin. There's chin, chin, chin. Here he comes again, coming around, coming around. He's coming around, he's making the left. Hopefully he's going to make that corner. Yes, he did. He didn't crash into us here. My friend,
Bessie?
here you go. Bessie baby,
Daisy,
what
that's
won't you do? Come on, turn around here. Look this way, walk this way. Okay. You're drinking water? I don't know what type of cows these are. I have to find out so I can put it on the thing. There's the other one up there and the other one over there that were running around. And we stopped here on the way back to Coal House. Okay.